In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can set up or register your Hik-connect app on your mobile phone. Without much further ado, let's jump right in. Alright guys, now to set up or register your Hik-connect app on your mobile phone as a first user is very simple. So after having installed the app on your phone, right here's the app. You can see here Hik-connect. Tap on the app. Then you will get this pop-up. Tap on allow. So you can see, just swipe this way, go to the next page, swipe to the next page, and you see here start now. Tap on this start now. So you can see here select region. You can tap here and select the country you are or region. So I'm in Nigeria. I will leave it on Nigeria. So come here and tap on this check icon. So tap on this OK. Here now, tap on this OK here. So you can see right here login stroke register. Tap on it. And you can see on this page here, for those that have an account with them, they can come here and put their email or phone number and password and log in. But you as a first user that want to create an account for the first time, so you come here, down here you can see here register. Tap on it. You can see here join us. Tap on this agree. So confirm the country. Tap on this check mark. On this page you can see right here register by email or by phone number. So I can tap right here and put my email and create the password and register. Or the same way I can come here right here down here and tap on this register by mobile phone number and tap on it, and then put my phone number, also put my password, and then tap on this get security code. I'll get the code and then put the code and go to the next page. So but right now I'll use my email, so I'll tap on this register by email address. I'll tap right here. So I'll come right here and put my email address. If I put my email address, so I'll come here and create a password, and it should be in this format. You can see. So tap on this get security code. So they have sent the code to my email address. So I can go to my email address and look for the code. So I'll come here and put the code. If I put the code, I'll tap on this finish. You can see right now the account has been created. You can see I can skip this for now, cancel. So right now I've created my Hik-connect account on my mobile app. You can see now to connect to a device or to connect to your DVR, you can come right here and tap on this add device. Then you can see here scan. Tap on this scan. Tap allow. Tap OK. So you can take this and then go to your DVR and then scan the QR code right there, and it will be scanned and device will be added right here. And from here you can always see your camera footage on your mobile phone. So guys, that is it. Very simple. Thanks for watching and bye.